Hey guys, Gokish here, making more videos again today guys. We're going to my friend's junkyard to check out some of his vehicles and also a boat, I believe. So without further ado, let's get to it. And just like that, we're here. Let's go check it out. Okay, we're in your truck, Alberto. How does your mom like your truck anyways?
She likes it.
The springs? She can tell the difference?
Yeah.
Wow, that's good, that's good. Oh my gosh. Huh? Has food in there? In the taco truck? Trying to get into the taco truck here. Oh, there we go. There's a boat right there that we are hopefully gonna try to fix up. I don't know, we'll see. Wash it and stuff. Take it to the lake. Oh damn, this looks bad. Put it back in one. Dude, what's in the fridge, Rodrigo?
Let's find out.
You sure you want to open it? Oh God, no! Close it. Try another one. Dude, this is bad.
Oh, man.
That was bad, dude.
I'm not used to this. It don't even smell bad.
It doesn't smell bad to you?
No, strawberry.
It smells like strawberry. We'll take a look at the taco truck some more, but let's just wait till the smell goes away. What are you doing, Rigo? The random bed right
why
here.
did I think that the motor was gonna be here in the front?
The what?
The motor.
No, the motor's in the back.
I was like, it's empty in here. There's no motor in there. So why
How do you get up there?
come through here?
Oh God, I'm gonna fall and hurt myself, and everyone's gonna be able to see it. All right. There's no like poison ivy and stuff out here? What?
Yeah, past it earlier.
Ow! Oh God, the worst thing ever.
No, this is a tree growing on a boat. Oh shit, it's not on a boat.
No, it's not growing in a boat, dude. Did the actual tree grow in the boat, dude?
Yes.
Oh my God. How long has this boat been here?
Here.
Years? Dude, I'm surprised this whole place is not covered with spider webs, actually. Is this boat from like the 70s? No way, dude. I gotta check that speedometer out. Hold on. Every time I step on something, it's like I'm gonna fall. Alright guys, typical day, you know, we're just taking out the tree from the boat. Luckily, the tree doesn't have anywhere else to grow in the boat anymore. Dude, this boat is definitely from the 70s, dude.
And speakers.
Yeah, no, dude, look at that speedometer.
Is there a plate somewhere we can tell?
Huh?
Is there a plate somewhere we can tell what year is it?
I don't know, Dude, look at all those switches. That's sick. Oh yeah, let's put air in the tires and then let's pull this thing. It's already on the thing, right? The trailer? Dude, you know when this...
LED.
Yeah, it's probably like, not LED, but like it does light up probably. That'd be sick.
Look, a life vest.
Well, yeah, we're getting new life vests. Screw that. What brand is that? Hold on. Wait, how long has that been here? Manzana Lift? I've never heard of that brand. Is that a Batman?
The fuck is this one?
Oh, no, actually I think I've heard of that one.
Joya.
Yeah, I think I've heard of that
Oh,
one. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna need to fill these tires up with air so that we can actually move it out.
Like we found a boat.
Is there any damage to the boat? It's a random bed. Alberto, is that your bed? Ride your bike, Alberto. In the meantime, let's check out this back. Let's check out the back of this taco truck real quick. Alright, it smells better now. I'm not opening that fridge again. Oh my gosh. Look at this. A sink. Mini sink right here. You have a grill, exhaust system, your stand to sell it. Some storage up there. So this is a taco truck. I've never been inside a taco truck. It's the first time. These lights look new though. Compared to everything else, this looks pretty new. It's interesting. I wonder if, oh dude, there's a key in here. Look at that. Should I turn it on? Let's see. Oh God. Look at the switch. For a heater, apparently. Another random switch. Let's see what doing anything does on this. Yeah, nothing. Nada. Let's turn it on. Yeah, I don't think there's any actual battery in here. Make sure it's a neutral, except on the clutch. Yeah, this thing is dead. It's like a light up there. Change also LEDs. Let's go outside. Look at that. There's another truck back there that's complete. Probably doesn't even work right now. Yeah. Perfect. Perfect driving. All right, stop. You're gonna sit on the boat?
Yeah.
You sit back here. Should we take our cars out? Oh my god, it's so hot in there though. So apparently our brother's trying to get it in this part right here. There, he's coming right now. You're not gonna hit the ground. You're not going to hit the ground.
Let's go around.
There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Huh? That's good, right? Alrighty, so it's already looking much better. You guys found a battery? The trolley. What?
Dual.
Rainbow brand from the 70s?
Right here. Right here. Oh shit, what the f?
Oh dude, there's fluids and stuff, right?
Hey, what is this? Juicy Luke. Oh, you want some, dude? You want some?
Lube.
Some lube? No, this is just storage. Oh, let's see this. There's a coupon. Let's see how long was it from. April 1, 2009.
2009? Oh, okay, that's not too old. But we were in high school during that time. So all that fluid has been in there for 10 years. Yeah. Well, it's a 3.0 liter. It's a 3.0 liter engine, dude. We have to change the oil. We're gonna have to like replace the gas. Oh. Give it to him. Yeah, give it to him. Shoot on it. You saw that? How old is that map?
Gotta find out right now.
Dude, open it to see if it still works. I don't think so. Oh my god.
You know it's old when it just breaks.
Yeah. Look, the paper inside is good.
Connect the battery, see if it works.
Yeah. Alright, there's a lot of stuff to clean on that boat. Let me start cleaning. Let's put the camera down. Okay, so we've entered the portion of the vlog where we brought it to a car wash because we're just going to wash the crap out of this at the moment. And let me go to show you the insides because we actually did a lot. And you can see I got my boots on now. How was the trip, Rigo? You see his chair in there. There you go. See, we stripped out everything. Let me get it to the top. Let me see. Let me show them. Oh! The top right here, and you can see we stripped out like pretty much everything. Obviously, we're gonna be taking out all this wood. We're gonna pretty much take everything out. All this wood needs to get out of here. It's just rotting like crazy. There's a hole in there. I mean, everything needs to get out. So we even opened those doors right there. There's like a sleeping quarters in there. Let me show you. Oh, look at that. The sleeping quarters looks nice. It actually looks pretty nice in there. I can imagine once it's done, this would look awesome, guys. Seriously. We're gonna use different seats. We're gonna either build our own or buy them. I don't know. We'll have to see. But yeah, here's the actual engine. Look at this bad boy, guys. Super old. I'm not even too sure if it works. You know, we're gonna have to put new oil in there, new gas. I'm not too sure. I don't think there's any gasoline in here, obviously. But yeah, so let's just power wash the outside of it so it can actually look a little bit decent on the outside. Oh man. Probably hasn't gotten a wash in like years. No, Alberto's not doing all the work, guys. Like, I'm doing half the work. And then he let me record a little bit so that I can record and show you guys. Last time you guys made me think that Alberto was doing all the work. All right, so new plan. This power wash sucks, so we're gonna be using the Ryobi electric power wash at my house. Probably gonna get that and then try to get some of this dirt off. You can see a lot of dirt that's like caked into this actual bodywork right here. 10 years of just sitting doing nothing. More than 10 years, but can you imagine once this boat is done how beautiful this would look? So after doing my research on this boat is definitely from the 1980s, not 1970s like I said. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna leave this for right now because it makes no sense using this washing station to actually remove all this dirt off here. We're gonna basically use my Ryobi electrical power washer that I have at my house. I'm gonna bring it in tomorrow and, you know, basically wash it. But yeah, that was a cool find. Hopefully we can make more videos on this, gutting the inside pretty much, you know, taking everything out. I mean, yeah, there's a lot of gutting to do in the inside. We're gonna try to make the engine run without having to actually take it out, but you know, we don't know yet. But that's pretty much for the video. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you stay tuned for more videos. Keep you serious saying thanks for watching and peace.